Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a 2002 Pleasureway Excel TS with 74,299 miles. Folks, here we are inside of this 2002 Pleasureway Excel TS. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan, as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We will go through a full demo with you at the time of sale and answer any questions you may have. Got 73.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. We've got a mixture of carpet and hard surface flooring. Got a fire extinguisher here, a little stash spot in the door. This is a speaker. This window can open, however, it does not have a screen. Got a curtain you can pull all the way across for privacy. There's a curtain track all the way around the front. Got a little storage up here. Got some discoloration here on this trim. Got our levels test here. This is for our gray, black, fresh, and coach battery. Do not consider these gospel. These are notoriously finicky. Got our water pump on off. This will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank that runs on the coach battery, so you can use that wherever you'd like, as long as you have charge in the coach battery. Start-stop switch for our gasoline-owning generator. This is a 2800 generator. This is a newer QG generator, so it's quieter than the older ones. It's showing 5 hours here on the meter that runs on the fuel tank. So you're gonna put gasoline in the van. It's gonna run the generator down to around a quarter tank. You cannot strand yourself, so the generator will shut off around a quarter tank. Water heater on off. This runs on propane. It ignites itself. Noxious gas detector. Got a little storage spot up top here. Kitchen here. We've got a 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin sink. Got a window there that opens. Spice rack. Got some stainless type backsplash here. That's going to help keep it cleaner if you're actually cooking in here. You can wipe that down when you're done cooking. We've got some storage overhead. Got AC power here on the front of the cabinet. You can use that for your coffee maker. That's our water pump. We've got a three-way Dometic fridge freezer. Got our freezer up top. It's a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC power, so our shore power plug-in or our generator. DC, meaning the coach battery or propane gas. Got instructions in the bottom of the box there. Going to control that from the buttons here on the front. I'm going to recommend leaving that in the auto setting. That's going to do what it needs to do for the most part to stay cool, as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got our propane furnace. Some power connections. I'll flip you around now. Got our microwave over here, runs on AC power, so our shore power plug-in or our generator. Got a closet here you can hang your clothes. Got some covers for the windshield and things like that. Table on the left, the board on the right is for making up the big bed in the back. A mirror here. Stepping into the bathroom. Got a medicine cabinet you can open up here. Outlet on the wall. You can use your shower head here. Pull the curtain around you. A little towel bar behind. And then it's going to drain into the floor. Got our stool here. This window does open, so you can use this as your stink vent. Got 3 drawers here. Some room down below for your other bathroom stuff. Got this fantastic fan overhead. This runs on the coach battery. You can use this like an attic fan at night or like an exhaust fan if you get moist air in here. Got our air conditioner overhead that's operated via the knobs on the air conditioner itself that runs on AC power. So our shore power plug-in or our generator. Got windows that open on the passenger side on the lower of the screen and here on the driver's side on this lower. Got curtains throughout. So what makes this a TS? It stands for twin sofa, which is this power sofa that's going to come down here. You're going to push the button over here on the wall. That's going to come down, make up 2 twin sleepers, or you can use the board that's in the closet and use the extra cushions on the sides over here to make up the big bed. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The twin beds measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 26 inches east-west or side to side on the driver's side, and a little shorter at 69 inches north-south on the passenger's side. If you use the support board to make up the big bed, it will measure approximately 69 to 72 inches north-south and 80 inches east-west. In the rear of the coach, we got storage. Got our table mount. This is a fuse panel here. It's got our AC breakers and our DC fuses. Got storage underneath here too as well. You can lift the cushions up and access that as well. Got a noxious gas detector over there. And we've got AC power here. We are sitting in the back of the Pleasureway. I have a hard time trusting trees. They seem kind of shady. Got this TV here. You can swivel out to face the front. Both of the front seats do swivel. The passenger seat's going to get a better position due to the driver's seat having the steering wheel and the cabinet. So your best seat's going to be the passenger seat, but you can watch TV from the front. If you have people that get up at 2 different times in the morning, one can still be sleeping back here, one can sit up front and watch TV and drink coffee. Got a little stash spot here, AC power behind, some other connections for your TV. Got a built-in DVD player on this TV. You can slide this little gold thing down over here. That's a pin that's going to lock this in. So when you're driving around, you want to have this locked in so it doesn't move around. Got a spot over here where the VCR would have been originally. Our guys added a DC charging station with USBs there. So that's run directly to the coach battery. You can plug your phone or your iPad in there. This thermostat here runs our propane furnace. Again, that's that switch that runs the power sofa up and down. Little TV remote spot. Got these lights here. You can move these around to face how you'd like if you're reading back here at night. These speakers play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to up front. Got some little hooks here that were added. Somebody would have hung something here perhaps. Another hook added there. There's a few little dings here on this cabinet door around the bottom. Got some of our manuals there. Storage. More storage. So all in all, we got a nice Pleasureway Excel here. This is a dually, so dual rear wheels here on this Pleasureway. That is unusual. So if you're looking for something like that, this is a very nice one that you could be able to use for towing a boat or something like that. This one has a few more blemishes on the outside, I would say, than the inside. Inside's pretty clean here, especially for 2002. A few little blemishes. We got some sunburn on the outside. You can check out here on the outside portion of the tour. I'm going to call the outside a 7.5. Rate's a little higher here on the inside, but for the sake of things, we're going to go ahead and call this a 7.5. Check this one out here at truckandrv.com. It's been through our full inspection. Go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Got some staining here inside the entry step. In the cabin here, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise, CD, and cassette player. Got a nice clean upholstery. Little tiny dot of something right there. I'm gonna have the guys hit that again. That might come out. Looks like coffee or something maybe. Little glove box here. Not noticing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, smells. There's no cigarette lighter in here. So it's tough to say for certain, but I'm gonna call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2002 Pleasureway Excel TS. This Pleasureway measures 20 feet, 6 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 1519 date codes. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 74,299 miles. Get some little dings on the stripes here and there on this one throughout. Shows a little sunburn in certain spots. Pretty good shine otherwise. Got the back of our refrigerator, furnace exhaust. This is our coach battery here. You can slide that on this drawer. We do have dual rear wheels on this one. That's unusual on a pleasure way. So as you can see, dual rear wheels. Got 2 AC plugins, so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Got some storage here, shore power cord, city water hose. This is a dog bone converter. Some little Lynx leveling chocks. Got our air conditioner up top. Backup camera. A little ding on the door here. Got a tow package. Crank for the awning. Coming around now to the driver's side. Got the molded fiberglass top. A little more sunburn here on the driver's side. As you can see, there's some cracking, things like that throughout here. Nothing that affects the fun or usability of the coach. Still looks pretty good when you're driving by. We've got the fill for the onboard fresh water tank that's going to travel wherever the RV goes. Got the back of the water heater. Storage down here. This was supposed to be a sewer hose storage. These are basically pointless, so somebody actually filled that in. Again, we got the dual rear wheels. Got our sewer drain here. Got our black up top and then our gray. Gonna do the black first, then the gray. Got coax for TV. This is our city water. Shore power in. Propane tank. This is mounted to the RV. Got a gauge. It's gonna get filled here. Valve to turn that on and off. Got an Onan RV quiet generator. This is a 2800. Runs on gasoline. So your fuel tank. Gonna stop running around a quarter tank so you cannot strain yourself. Got a nice RV here, Pleasureway Excel. These are very popular, very, very functional floor plan. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Got some sunburn here inside the rear door. We have our coach battery disconnect. So if you can pull this out like so, it's turned off. It's going to disconnect everything in the coach. If you turn that back on, it's going to connect everything to the coach battery. It's also going to disconnect your charging systems, which are your shore power plug-in, your alternator while you drive, and your generator. Also forgot to mention the outside shower over here. It's nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, keep the mess outside of the RV. Some sunburn up here on the Pleasureway on the hood as well.